Welcome, YouTube filmmakers. So, you don't know how to edit videos? It's okay, my friend. I can show you. Today, you are gonna get a crash course on Inshot. Inshot is an app where you can create videos almost for free. It's by far the easiest video editor out there. In this series, I'll be covering everything from installing all the way to publishing your videos. So please, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and smash the like button. I will be covering the Android version, but it's not so different compared to the iPhone version. Now, let us start by downloading the app. First, go to the Play Store app and type in Inshot in the search bar. Click on this link and click the install button. Now, wait until it finishes downloading. Once done, it will appear on your screen. Over here, you can edit your video, photo, or create a collage. Click the gear icon to open the setting page. Here, you can change the language, check the version, or even send a feedback to the developers. If you decide to purchase this app in the future, you may click the crown icon, which will bring you to this page. You will be presented with three options, which is $11.99 per month, $38.99 per year, and $140.99 for one-time purchase. In the material tabs, you can download clip arts, icons, and smileys. Most of them are free, but you need to watch an advertisement to unlock it. And that's about it. Now it's time to create your video. Click on the video button to start your new project. Your media will be sorted by videos, photos, and all. Under the video tab, click the video you want to edit. Click the scissors icon to roughly trim your video. Drag the sliders on the left and right to trim your video. Click the check icon once you're done. Then, click the green check on the bottom right of your screen to start editing your video. So that's it for part 1, guys. Please join me for part 2 of this video, where I'll be talking about how to set your canvas for the various social media format, set your background, and how to set the speed of your video, and many more. So please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and click the notification bell so you won't miss any of my video.